Hello everyone, thanks for joining me today. This video we are going to do live trading with CODEFIBO. If you have not watched my previous videos about CODEFIBO, I will leave the links below. Please feel free to watch them. So let's log in today into my CODEFIBO account and let's do some trading. Here is my account. My broker for CODEFIBO is Swiss Royal Bank. My starting balance for this trading session is 1897.50. Okay, and here's my setup. The signal strength is 85%. The risk level is 8, meaning I'm asking for 8 trades. The software will give me the number of trades, 8 or less, depending on the signal strength that it finds. If it finds only 3 signal strengths, like right now how it's on the screen, it'll give me only 3 signals, that is 85% or above. So let me log into my broker account now. So here is Swiss Royal Bank. Let me log in. I have one open trade right now that I placed based off the signal from CODEFIBO, and I'll show you that signal. Okay, before we start trading, let's take a look at some trading tips that I follow and hope you will adopt some of these strategies that will help you make some profitable trades. Trading tip number 1. Take your time in placing your trades. You do not need to rush. Take a look at the charts. You want to make sure that it is the right trend before you place the trade. So take your time. Number 2 is find out how many open number of trades that you can manage at one time. Personally, for me, if it's more than 4, it is very hard for me to keep track and monitor them. So I limit my trading to only 4 or less than 4. Most of the times it's less than 4. Okay, the next is you do not need to take all the signals that the software gives you. Say, for example, you're analyzing one signal and then the time is up. You do not need to take all those 3 or 4 signals that it gives. So just limit to what you can analyze and what you can place. The goal here is any trades that you place, even if you place just only one trade, you want that trade to be a winner. It's more about quality than quantity. Do not rush into and do not worry about if there are 4 signals that the software gave you. You do not need to place 4 signals. Just place one trade. That's good enough. The next one talks about if you refer the chart and the chart tells you a different story, you do not need to place the trade. Feel free to skip that trade. But still, the analysis that we are doing with the charts is to see if it's the right time to enter, and because the software gives you the signals and it gives you a certain trend. So just make sure you consult with the chart to see if it is the right time to enter. And you can see how I do it, so you can take examples from there. So that will be a learning curve for you. And then the last one is I only do anywhere between 10 to 30 minutes expiration with the trades. Sometimes my broker gives me 40 minutes expiration or 1 hour expiration. If I am confident with the chart that it's telling me the same story as what the signals is telling me, then I will go ahead and place that trade with the closest expiration that the broker gives me. Hope this helps you understand the trading rules that I follow myself personally. Feel free to adopt this, or if you have any questions, you can reach out to me at support@binaryoptionseliteclub.com. If you have any strategies that work for you, feel free to post a comment below this video. It will help other traders as well. Now let's take a look at the economic calendar. So if you go to investing.com, this is one of the sources I check the major news. So right now the time is 1847 and here are all the news, and looks like in 42 minutes we have GBP moderate news coming up. It's CFTC speculative news. And also for USD we have speculative news coming up. You know what? Since I am going to be testing this platform, I am going to go ahead and test during that period so we can see how the application does. Okay, so the next thing is charts. If you're not familiar with freestockcharts.com, this is a free charting tool. One of my favorite tools that I use for my trading. So it's free and you can use it for your reference while you're trading. Okay, so back to CODEFIBO application. You see that last signal, Euro JPY, that's the one in our open trades in the broker account. So just FYI. Okay, we are getting the next set of signals. Apple, Facebook, and GBP JPY. Okay, let's take a look at. Okay, it is a call signal. Let's go ahead and place the trades. So it looks like it's somewhere trending in the middle. And let's see. So this is our second open trade. The first one is still doing good. So both of them are in the money right now. Euro JPY is doing really good. It's a little bit deeper in the money. And the next one was Apple and Facebook. Both of them were call signals. Let's see how it's doing. It's already trending so up high, and we don't want to do a call when it is trending so up high already. I'm probably going to skip Apple. The next one is Facebook. Let's see how Facebook is. Wow, it has dropped so much. It's still dropping, so it's a good time to buy Facebook. And it's a call signal, so but the expiration that available is only at 20, which is fine. Okay, this is our trade number 3, Facebook. Euro JPY is doing good. GBP JPY right now it's out of the money, but we still have some time. Facebook is doing good. Look how low it's been, and it has so much room to go up. So this is a pretty good signal. We have some time, so I'm going to be back closer to the expiration, and let's take a look at the trades, and also let's see if we have new signals that we can place. I'll be back. I am back. All 3 trades are in the money. It's profitable. We still have about 30 seconds left. Keeping my fingers crossed that they will end in profits. Euro JPY and GBP JPY, both of them are 1930 expiration. Facebook is 20 GMT expiration. So right now we're looking at just Euro JPY and GBP JPY to expire. Both of them ended in profit. At the end of the trading session, let's take a look at the summary, but you saw that both of them ended in profit. Okay, let's go back to CODEFIBO. Let's take our next set of signals. Coffee, GBP USD, oil, and USD JPY. GBP USD put. Let's take a look at that. Wow, it's already so low. Look at that in comparison to the charts, how low it's trending. Okay, I am going to skip GBP USD. Let's move on to, I don't think, yeah, I'm not seeing oil in the asset list. Okay, let's move on to the next one, which is USD JPY. It's trending really high, so that's a good signal. Let's do a put, and this is our fourth signal. It's still trending up. Hopefully we got in at the right time. Time will tell. Let's see. Okay, Facebook is in the money. USD JPY is right now out of the money, but we do have some time. Okay, we have some time. This expires 1945 and then Facebook expires 20 GMT. We have some time. I'll be right back closer to the expiration so we can take a look at USD JPY and then let's take a look at some other signals. I'll be back. I am back. So we have a few more seconds to go on USD JPY. It's right now in the money. Not by far, so I'm keeping my fingers crossed that it will end in a profit. Two more seconds. Okay, that was in the money. That was a profit. Okay, let's go back to CODEFIBO and let's look for some more signals. Okay, next is USD JPY. Let's take a look at the chart. USD JPY. Okay, it's trending up high. It will be a good put signal. Look at that. So let's do a put. $20 GMT and $50. This is our fifth trade. Well, right now it's out of the money, but let's give it some time. It's still trending up high, so it'll slowly start to come down. Let's take a look at the chart to see what the story is. USD JPY. Okay, it's trending above the moving averages, so we did a put signal, so that's good news. It's in the right direction. So let's give it some time. The expiration, both of them are 20 GMT, so we have some time. And let's take a look at the expired positions. So far, we have 3 positions that we traded, and all the 3 trades are winners. And here's the summary. And Facebook and USD JPY are our third and fifth trade. So we have 5 trades so far. Okay, we have some time, so I'm going to be back closer to the expiration. I'll be right back. I am back. So looking good. We have 5 more seconds to go to expire. Both of them are in the money. All right, they expired, both of them in the money. Okay, let's look at one more signal. This will be our last. This will be our sixth. Google. I'm not sure if we are going to find Google. Let's look anyway. No, we're not finding that asset. Okay, let's look at GBP, JPY. GBP, JPY. I'm not finding it. Okay, maybe it's late on Friday. We're not finding assets. So the last one is USD, JPY. Okay, 2030 is our closest expiration. It's looking good. It's a little bit on the high end, so put is a good signal. Okay, so this will be our last trade. USD, JPY. Okay, this is our sixth trade. It is in the money already. So far, all our trades 1 through 5 have been in the money. I'll be right back closer to the expiration. We have some time on this. I'll be right back. I am back. So we have 1 more minute to go on this last trade. This is our USD JPY. So far, it's been doing good. It's still in the money. Okay, looks like we're finishing up strong. We're finishing up 100% profit. 20 more seconds. Okay, that was profit. Let's look at all our expired positions. So we have 6 trades, and all our 6 trades are in the money. Here is a summary of our trading session today. We started off with the balance 1897.50. We ended with 2130. We did 6 trades. So we made $232.50 in 75 minutes of our trading. That is pretty good for a software signal service from CODEFIBO. If anybody is interested in checking it out, I'm going to leave a link below. You can access the CODEFIBO software for free. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.